Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Zulfa and my friend Jannah and Zahra, we are from to Ikram, will present about chapter 11, Stars and Galaxies in the Universe. First, the universe consists of every existing thing around us. Do you know that there are many objects in space which you may have never seen or known of their existence? The study of astronomy has raised our awareness of the beauty and vastness of God's creation of the universe. Do you know that Datuk Dr. Sheikh Muzaffar Shukor was the first Malaysian to venture into outer space in the 10th of October 2007? Technology plays an important role in the study of outer space. The invention of technological devices help us to get a clearer picture about the universe. Galaxies. There are millions of galaxies in the universe. What do galaxies mean? A galaxy is a set of bodies consisting of millions of stars and with gas and dust particles. Galaxies come in many forms, such as spiral galaxies, elliptical galaxies, and irregular galaxies. Our solar system is situated in the Milky Way galaxy. The examples of spiral galaxy is Andromeda and the Milky Way. Examples of elliptical galaxies is Ursa Major and Messier 87. For example of irregular galaxy is Small Magellanic Cloud and Large Magellanic Cloud. What is the Milky Way? The Milky Way is a medium-large spiral galaxy. Our solar system is located at the edge of one of the spiral arms of the Milky Way. The Milky Way consists of approximately 200 billion stars, and the Sun is one of it.
The life cycle of a star nebula hypothesis can be divided into three categories. First, nebula will change to medium-sized star, red giant, and white dwarf. Second is nebula will change to large star, red giant, supergiant, supernova, and neutron star. The last one is nebula will change to super large star, red giant, supergiant, supernova, and black hole. The next slide, we go to birth of stars. Did you know stars are formed from nebulae? What are nebulae? Nebulae are large clouds consisting of dust particles and gases such as hydrogen and helium. Let me elaborate. First, the gases and dust particles in a nebula are pulled by a strong gravitational force which causes it to form a globe. The strong gravitational force causes the globe of gas to shrink and compress until it becomes very dense and forms a core. The core shrinks and becomes dense due to the increasing strength of the gravitational force. When the temperature and pressure in the core become too high, a nuclear reaction will take place. Hydrogen gas turns into helium. A huge amount of heat energy and light is released. The core will shine and a star is formed. The star that is formed is known as a protostar. This new star continues to expand and becomes either an average star like the Sun or a massive star. The next subtopic is death of stars. In a star, a lot of heat is generated which will heat up the outermost layer of the star. As a result, hydrogen within this layer starts to burn. This causes the star to expand. During this stage, the star appears red in color and is called a red giant. If the red giant is not massive, a white dwarf is formed. However, if the red giant is big enough, it contracts so quickly that a big explosion called a supernova occurs. A supernova is extremely bright. It can be seen in daylight. As a result of the explosion, a neutron star is formed if the original star is a large star. If the original star is a super large star, a black hole is formed. It is called a black hole because light in it cannot escape. Any matter that enters it cannot escape too. Okay, for the next slide, I would like to tell you relative size comparison between the Earth and the universe. The universe is beautiful and unique. There are millions of galaxies in the universe. The Milky Way is one of the many galaxies in the universe. In the Milky Way, there is a solar system which consists of 8 planets that orbit the Sun, and this includes the Earth where we live in. The Earth is smaller than a speck of dust in the universe. Can you imagine how vast this universe created by God is? We can never see the end of it. We should be thankful for the beauty of this universe, which is a symbol of God's supremacy.
Characteristic of stars. Have you ever observed the star in the sky at night? If you look closely, some stars appear bright while some appear dim. This star can be classified based on the following characteristics. Characteristics to classify stars are temperature, color, size, distance, and brightness. Generally, stars have color that correspond to its surface temperature which range from a lower to higher temperature. Table 11.1 shows the classification of stars based on color and temperature. For the red color, the temperature is below than 3500. For the orange color, 3500 to 5000. For the yellow color, 5000 to 6000. For the yellowish white, 6000 to 7500. For the white color, 7500 to 11000. For the bluish white, 11,000 to 25,000. For the blue color, above than 25,000. Stars have different sizes. The really big ones are called supergiant stars. Big stars are called giant stars, while the really small ones are called dwarf stars. The brightness of a star depends on its size, distance, and surface temperature. The brightest stars in the sky are Sirius and Rigel. Do you know? The National Planetarium was officially opened in 1994 as a space science education facility for the public. The design of this facility is very unique as it is a combination of Islamic architecture and astronomy. That's all from us. Thanks for watching.